It was As they discussed how to repair the road, something extraordinary happened. From within the pit, dazzling beams of light suddenly emerged, creating a magical scene. In the glow, images of smooth, well-paved roads appeared, as if reminding them that fixing the road would not only help others but also ensure their own safety. Ben and Excavator quickly got to work. Excavator scooped up loads of sand and dumped them into the hole, while Ben transported sand and rocks to level the road. They worked tirelessly, coordinating seamlessly.
Let's go!
By the end of the morning, the road was fully repaired and looked as good as new. Other vehicles passing by were delighted and expressed their gratitude for the now safe road. Through teamwork and dedication, the three friends had completed a meaningful task that brought joy to everyone. The enchanted pit, having witnessed their efforts, slowly closed up. The shimmering light faded, leaving behind a smooth and sturdy road. The story concluded with joy and satisfaction among the three vehicle friends. They had learned a valuable lesson. With unity and mutual help, any challenge can be overcome. Their journey became more meaningful than ever.